BRINC delivers first LEMUR 2 drones to emergency responders. BRINC's LEMUR drones may be the best example of public safety drones as a de-escalation tool, providing SWAT teams with a proven two-way communication solution and a full set of tools designed to keep everyone involved in the operation safe. Today, BRINC announces the first deliveries of the LEMUR 2 flagship model to customers. The LEMUR 2 is designed, manufactured, and supported in the U.S. From BRINC Seattle facility, Blake Resnick, founder and CEO of BRINC, commented on the news. With these deliveries, we are one step closer to making our vision of a safer world a reality, all made possible by the hard work of everyone here at BRINC. I am so proud of what our team has accomplished, and equally proud to be serving the first responder community. Technology that keeps emergency responders out of harm's way and saves lives is exactly what we are building, and we're just getting started. Improved product, enhanced performance. BRINC's first drone, the LEMUR, was developed entirely based upon the real-life experience of public safety officers in the field. The LEMUR series is designed to enter a space before the officers, searching a space, finding suspects, establishing communications, and providing critical eyes and ears. The LEMUR 2 offers a host of upgrades and capabilities, all of which fulfill real-life needs for law enforcement. The combination of features is unique, offering truly impactful capabilities, from the ability to flip itself over and take flight again when hit. The LEMUR's nearly indestructible form is impressive in demonstration, to night vision, thermal sensors, and the engineering that enables the drone to function in GPS-denied, dark environments. Some of the LEMUR 2's new and upgraded features: GPS-denied/no light position hold, LiDAR and tracking camera array, night vision and FLIR thermal sensors, smart battery power management, FAA-compliant remote ID module, glass breaker for window breaching, obstacle awareness, two-way audio communications, high-performance antenna array, USB-C charging ecosystem, NDAA compliance, improved self-riding performance. Our customers' lives are on the line, and as such we're consistently looking to make improvements and advancements to our drones. Continued Resnick. For BRINC, this means packing every ounce of cutting-edge technology into our drones so emergency responders have the tools they need to make sure everyone gets home safely. The LEMUR 2 unlocks several de-escalation tactics for law enforcement officers thanks to its impressive feature set. The drone's LiDAR array, which powers its autonomy engine, also provides real-time floor plans of its environment, instantly available to any officer linked into the BRINC LevOps system. Officers can also use the drone's onboard communications capability to de-escalate highly dangerous situations, opening communications pathways and enabling a peaceful resolution for all parties involved. BRINC's life-saving drones have also been used in disaster response and search and rescue missions around the world. From the Surfside condo collapse to the earthquakes in Turkey, LEMUR's unique capabilities make it an ideal tool for first responders working in challenging environments. The LEMUR 2 is proudly made in the U.S. This model is the first from BRINC's new Seattle-based headquarters and production factory. The 20,000-square-foot facility hosts specialized tooling, 3D printers, CNC machines, automated battery welders, and more to maintain complete supply chain ownership and vertical integration, says the company announcement. The LEMUR 2 is National Defense Authorization Act, NDAA, compliant and approved by the U.S. government for use by federal agencies and contractors. BRINC is the only public safety drone company to manufacture all of its products in and source all its parts from the United States and allied nations.